Max, a city boy yearning for adventure, discovered a secret park, the gateway to the Enchanted Forest. One sunny afternoon, exploring beneath a gnarled oak tree, whispering ancient stories, he unearthed a dusty, leather-bound book, The Magical Secret. Poof! Lila, a shimmering fairy with wings like stained glass, materialized. She explained the book held ancient magic, now slowly fading from the forest, awaiting a pure heart to reawaken it. Eager to help, Lila guided Max into the vibrant forest. Flowers that hummed soft tunes and glowed with an inner light, animals that whispered secrets in rustling leaves. Max learned simple spells, coaxing even the shyest flowers to bloom in a burst of vibrant colors, with a flick of his wrist and a whispered word of encouragement. Then, Blaze, a magnificent dragon with scales the color of polished jade, revealed himself, his wise eyes filled with ancient knowledge. A powerful restoration spell, the dragon explained, needed the Heartstone, hidden deep within the forest's heart, protected by ancient trials designed to test a magician's worth. Determined to succeed, Max joined forces with Felix, a clever fox with a knack for solving even the most perplexing riddles, and Ruby, a brave rabbit who knew every hidden path and secret burrow within the Enchanted Forest. Together, they faced many challenges. They solved tricky riddles left by mischievous sprites, their laughter echoing through the trees, and outsmarted a grumpy troll guarding a rickety bridge. His demands for silly dances hilariously met with Max's clumsy but enthusiastic attempts, earning them safe passage. Finally, they reached a misty cave, where Oliver, a wise old owl with spectacles perched precariously on his beak, guarded the Heartstone. He tested Max's courage and magical knowledge with thought-provoking questions and gentle riddles, probing his understanding of magic's true purpose. Magic is about spreading joy and wonder, not just wielding power for personal gain, Oliver wisely stated, before entrusting Max with the precious gem, its surface warm and pulsing with energy. With the Heartstone safely in his grasp, Max returned to Blaze. Together, under the soft and watchful light of the silvery moon, they performed the ancient spell, chanting the melodic words in perfect unison. A surge of energy flowed through Max, tingling from his fingertips to the tips of his toes. The Heartstone glowed intensely, bathing the entire forest in a warm, golden light, restoring its magic and bringing new life to every corner of the Enchanted Forest. Max, now a true magician, continued his adventures, exploring the forest and sharing his newfound gifts with all its creatures, forever guided by the wisdom within, the magical secret. True magic resides in a kind, brave, and compassionate heart. He knew his adventures were only just beginning, always ready to share endless wonders.